station. I mean, if you want, I will bring you to the train station. It's very near here. A moment, guys, we are going to cross, and I am going to show you the train station we have here. Ayan, sino yung haba ng message? We are going to the train station, guys. A moment, we are going to cross first. So this is the street. This is the street going to the train station. I'm sorry, guys, if I cannot read your comments or your chats. So this is the street going to the train station. Wait, we are going to see. I am going to show you guys the train station we have here, but only outside because we cannot go inside without ticket. Only outside. And we are going to stop there, guys. Thank you, Sister Garima, Ruby, Lau, thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias, Lau. Sis Lori, thank you. Ayan. Sorry at medyo palundag-lundag ang ano natin at wala tayong selfie stick. And wala ring stabilizer ang phone natin, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the train station we have here. So that is train station connects going to Valencia and going to Castellon. So this is very useful medium of transportation. Sorry, medium of transportation. The train. Ayan, guys. So that is the train station we have, guys. You see. Esa es la estación que tenemos. Ahí está el tren. Está pasando. Está pasando el tren. Está por allá. I love the trains. Ayan. So the train is there. Stop, guys. That train is going to Castellon. You see. So that is our train station. Ayan. So I am going to stop now, guys. Thank you so much for your big support. This is only a quick and short live. Oh, we have 11. 11 visitors in the house. Thank you so much for dropping by. So I am here in Spain. Thank you, thank you. So ayan. Diba? Very dark na siya. So, Lau, muchísimas gracias por te apoyo. Ruby, thank you so much for your support. Sister Garima, thank you. Sis Lori, thank you so much. Ayan. 12 visitors. Ano kaya? Itutuloy ko ba siya, Sis Lori? May 12 tayong visitors. Sayang naman yung watch hour natin. Pag ni-stop ko, may 12 tayong friends. Ayan. Ayan, may pharmacy po tayo. Pharmacy o farmasya. Ayan. Sometimes I come here, guys, but we have another pharmacy near our house. So it's 20 degrees now. It's not too cold. You see the time? It's 6:14 in the evening. And here you see the decorations of